Hey friends,
I'm Mike.
and I'm Karen, and we are the Baskets. Join us as we begin flipping the farm. Happy Saturday!
Happy Saturday. We like Saturdays. We get a lot done on Saturdays. Hope your day is great.
And it is beautiful out. It is a spring morning and the grass is already turning so green, so we'll be mowing soon. We left you hanging last week with Mike cutting masonry, cinder block. So that is what he is about to get started doing today.
Yeah, I got this big old huge
Machine.
saw. I'm gonna be tired tomorrow, but it's gonna be good.
So we got started by tackling our living room window. We're enlarging it and taking it down a little bit lower, as you can see. And you guys, this saw is heavy. I don't know how he is handling that, but lots of energy and muscles being used here for this. So he's just knocking it out. And once he got that all knocked out, I, of course, was the cleanup crew and hauled off all the pieces of cinder block. Now this right here is a window that we are going to be totally removing and opening up for a door that has side lights on both sides. We were trying to get that window out without breaking it, but right here you can see that it totally shattered and glass went everywhere. Thank goodness it didn't get on me too terribly much, but just stuck that in the dumpster. And then we were able to continue cutting and then start knocking it out.
Alrighty, so there is the opening for our new front door. Mike got that all cut out and knocked out, and then I am about to start hauling all of this cinder block to the big dumpster, getting myself a good workout for sure. He's still got to tackle a doorway over here. Right there, that is gonna be my door for my studio. That window is gonna go away. And then we still have to do another window, cut out another window right here, which will be the new bedroom window. And this window is going away. So his poor arms, you guys, oh my word. Oh, and behind that piece of plywood or particle board, there'll be a door cut out there. There's a window, but it's gonna be a door. So, poor guy. He's gonna deserve an arm massage tonight, that's for sure.
And this is what I spent the majority of the day doing, was hauling off cinder block, but I didn't get anywhere near complete because I kind of just wanted to stick close to him while he was using that saw and make sure everything went well.
Here he is cutting out the hole for the bedroom window. Now on the inside, and then once he got it cut, you know, it's always kind of fun to see this come down. So I'm loving the fact that that window is quite a bit bigger than the one that was already in there, but that one again is going away, the one to the right. Here I am just continually cleaning up all day long.
All right, so what you're seeing here is a neighbor that we met on, I believe, like the second week we were here working, and he is so incredibly nice. He volunteered to come down and remove fencing, and right here he is taking out that big satellite dish eyesore that we unveiled in like week 2, I think. So yeah, he's just squishing it up there, as you see, with his tractor and making life so much easier for us. We are super appreciative of this.
All right, so that good neighbor just left. He took out the satellite dish. They took out this fencing. I mean, Rhonda and I were just like busting our tails the other day, and we got maybe 3 panels out, and they took all of that out in minutes. But equipment and tools are everything. So took all that out, knocked down some of these trees for us. So really appreciative of our neighbor and his grandson, that's for sure. It's really unbelievable what getting the fences down and getting rid of that satellite dish has done for the property. It's already just opened up and looking so much better.
This is very late. You can see the sun is going down, and we've been sitting here for about 15-20 minutes and just soaking it all in and seeing the things that we need to take care of, but the things that we've already done, and it's super exciting.
Yeah, this is still Saturday. We have been here since, 8:30 this morning? And it is, I don't even know, what time is it? It is 5 till 7. So
Yeah. Good day. Sorry.
you will see what he did today. It was amazing. I don't know how he's going to function tomorrow and do it all over
I
again.
can't lift my arm up. I didn't think I could.
Yeah,
and she brags on me. I mean, this Hilti, center block cutter thingy is amazing. But man, it weighs a lot. But Karen, everything that I knocked out of the wall, she picked up and threw into the big trash can.
Not everything.
And
I still have more to do tomorrow.
There's we got a Sunday afternoon. Supposed to take naps and watch golf on Sunday. But anyway.
So right before we left today, Mike wanted to just jump on the four-wheeler and take a little ride. So I thought I would video as we went along.
Sorry if you get a little bit motion sick from our bumpy ride, but I just wanted to show you the property as we tour around the place. This back northwest corner of the property is probably my most favorite location on the land. You guys, the sunset views back here are absolutely stunning, and I can't wait to just spend a lot of time here. I've had quite a few people ask about the property and the structures on the property. So we have 5 acres, and then there are 5 structures: a 36 by 60 horse barn, a shop/garage I will park in, a falling down barn, a horse stable, and then of course the house. Not to get all sentimental on you or anything, but goodness, this view right here, you guys, just gives us chills and reminds us of how blessed we are. I mean, wow. Because we were so limited on our time with the saw, we had to go back on Sunday afternoon and try to crank out as much as we possibly could. We were both just dead tired last night, and, cutting out all the cinder block, him having to hold that heavy saw, me hauling off all the cinder block and putting it into the dumpster. Guys, it's a lot of work, and yeah, we are super, super worn out from it all, but we had to get it done. So this is us just tackling a few more of those doors and windows. And, I can't let him have all the fun. He gets to pound away at it, and I have to jump in on it too and just get my little thrill moments out of it. Okay, and I know you saw this picture earlier, but I just want to take a minute to tell you what we did on Monday. Absolutely nothing as far as the farm was concerned. You guys, we were so busted tired. I think we both could have slept until noon on Monday, but unfortunately we had to get up and get that saw returned by 9 a.m. Then we went to the chiropractor. We went and had breakfast. We maybe made a stop off at Lowe's. I honestly can't remember. I literally felt like I was sleepwalking all day long. We went and got a smoothie. We went and had a massage. It was the most wonderful, relaxing Monday ever. Oh, we also got pizza for dinner that night. We looked at each other at the end of the day and said, we totally deserved today. So yeah, that was very enjoyable. And then we were back at it again on Tuesday, of course. So we weren't really planning to be here on Tuesday, but because we had to return that saw on Monday, and there were some little places that Mike couldn't get to with the saw we had because of the size of it and all, another neighbor of ours currently owns a construction company. So he sent over a couple of his guys to tackle a few of the hard to reach places, and they just had better equipment, honestly. So while they were doing that, Mike and I finished knocking out this doorway that we had cut over the weekend, and this is a entryway into my studio. All right, so it's Wednesday, and on Tuesday, the septic company called and let us know that they would be coming out today, Wednesday, to pump out this disgustingly old, gross, nasty
septic tank. Of course, it's no big deal to them because they see this on the daily, but to us, it's disgusting. So, yeah, very stagnant, gross water filled with roots. And we didn't think it was salvageable, but Anytime Septic did a number on this system and they said it was totally salvageable and doable. And so they took care of it, dug it out, pumped it out, all those fun things. I wasn't there. Mike was there, supervising, if you will. And yeah, that poor guy had to get down in that, but that's what they do. And they did an amazing job for us and got it all fixed up, and we're good to go now. So shout out to Anytime Septic here. Okay, so this is what I was doing while Mike was doing the dirty work. Rhonda and I went to pick out granite and cabinets and all the fun things. So here's a little sneak preview for you of the kitchen. If you know me very well, you will know that black and white has been my color scheme since day one. And I mean day one of my life. My bedroom was black and white growing up. My wedding was black and white. My first kitchen was black and white. I just love, love, love black and white. So that's what I'm going with. Very classic black and white. All right, so here we are on Friday. Mike is mixing up some cement to pour into the cinder block that was exposed, the openings that were exposed whenever we took out the windows and door area. So this is just to prevent, termites from coming up and also just extra support. Our electricians also came out today, American Eagle Lighting and Electrical, and I am so excited for this right here. He's removing this old dusk to dawn light and putting in a new one, and I'm super excited about that. They also replaced these janky old lights that were in the shop with these amazing new LED lights. Right here you can see, if it's dark, this whole place is just so lit up. It's unbelievable. So that's really exciting because you know how much Mike and I love to work out in our shop. All right, so Mike just continued to work on those door frames and window frames. That's what he's doing here, just filling those in so we can board them up. And here's just a view of the property at the end of the day. It's just so incredibly beautiful, and we're just one step closer each and every day to being in our forever home.
Hello. So we didn't get to work as much as we wanted to this week. We had some other things take place throughout the week that we had to go take care of and get to be with people for fun things happening in their lives.
Oh, absolutely.
So celebrations.
Some good celebrations.
Yeah.
I think the best part about this week for me personally was Wednesday. Septic guys came. I enjoyed that because I didn't have to do anything other than, take some pictures, and I helped them dig a little bit, but minimal stuff. But Anytime Septic came out and did that, and that was great. And then Thursday, we didn't do anything. We didn't even come out here at all.
Really?
No. I played golf. And then you did whatever you did.
I worked on tumblers and jewelry and got a lot of orders out. So.
Yeah, I got to hit a golf ball around in cold weather with a lot of wind, and that was not exciting at all.
And today has been so windy. Like, I have been freezing all day long. I've had my gloves on and freezing all day long, and we're covered in dust and dirt because I was trying to, I don't know why, clean and dust on the inside of the house with the blower, and it was just a big mess, and now it's all dusty and dirty again because today
we got to fill in cinder blocks. There's some places that needed to be strengthened, put cement inside of those, also to keep any bugs, critters, especially termites coming up through the bottom because there's going to be wood sills. And so I thought, well, I'll just be extra safe and put some extra cement in those to make sure that the bugs don't come through. And then we framed a couple of those up. It takes a little bit longer than we thought because drilling into the cinder block is not the easiest thing, and getting everything lined up and straight. And then
the electrician came today, and our shop is illuminated now. And so really excited about that. And then next week he's supposed to be coming back to replace the panel in the house and move it. And so just moving right along.
And again, it's fun because somebody else is doing the work. We're just having to pay them, but that's all good too.
Some of the work.
Anyhow.
So thank you guys for watching. We hope that you enjoyed this week. So don't forget to ring the notification bell, like, subscribe, comment. Let us hear from you. We like to interact and chat and answer questions and all that jazz. So anyways, we will see you guys next week.
See you later.
And really quickly, I just wanted to show you what it looks like now that we've got that new light installed. Also, if you're watching for the first time and you want to get caught up on our Flipping the Farm playlist, go ahead and click right here. Thanks so much for watching.